Have you ever had your credit score take a nosedive for no apparent reason? It can be a frustrating and confusing experience, especially when you're trying to make major financial decisions. One common culprit for credit score issues is inaccurate information on your credit report. If you've recently filed a dispute with Equifax, you're probably eager to know the outcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of checking your Equifax dispute status. What is a credit dispute? Before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly recap what a credit dispute is. It's essentially a formal request to a credit reporting agency, like Equifax, to investigate and potentially remove inaccurate or disputed information from your credit report. This could include errors in your personal information, incorrect account balances, or fraudulent activity. Why is checking your dispute status important? Knowing the status of your credit dispute is crucial for several reasons. Peace of mind. It can alleviate stress and uncertainty about your financial situation. Timely action. If your dispute is not resolved in your favor, you can take further steps, such as disputing with the creditor or seeking legal advice. Financial planning. Understanding the status of your dispute can help you make informed decisions about borrowing, applying for credit cards, or renting a home. How to check your Equifax dispute status online. Visit the Equifax website. Go to Equifax.com and click on the Dispute a Credit Report link. Log in or create an account. If you haven't already, you'll need to create a free online account. Access your dispute history. Once logged in, navigate to your dispute history section. Check the status of your dispute. Look for the specific dispute you're interested in and see its current status. Understanding dispute statuses. Equifax typically uses a few different status codes to indicate the progress of your dispute. Received. Your dispute has been received by Equifax and is under review. Investigating. Equifax is currently investigating the disputed information. Verified. The disputed information has been verified and found to be accurate. Corrected. The disputed information has been corrected and removed from your credit report. Closed. The dispute has been closed, but the outcome may not be in your favor. What to do if your dispute is not resolved? If your dispute is not resolved to your satisfaction, you can take the following steps. Contact the creditor. Reach out to the creditor directly to discuss the disputed information and try to resolve the issue. Submit additional evidence. Provide Equifax with any additional documentation that supports your claim. File a complaint with the CFPB. If you're still unsatisfied, you can file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB. Tips for a successful credit dispute. Be specific, clearly explain the nature of the error, and provide as much supporting evidence as possible. Act promptly. The sooner you file your dispute, the better your chances of a successful outcome. Follow up. If you haven't heard back from Equifax within a reasonable time frame, follow up on the status of your dispute. Checking your Equifax dispute status is a simple but essential step in protecting your credit score. By understanding the process and taking proactive steps, you can increase your chances of resolving credit disputes in your favor. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.